Today began as usual. I woke up at 5 and I got my shower by 5:15. I was out and started my breakfast by 6. I was finished and ready to get to the bus stop. I just didn't get to the bus stop in time, a minute late, so I was 15 minutes early for the second bus. But it had 2 bikes on it, so I had to go as quickly as I could to each intersection. The closest one was Main Street, and by the time I got to Main Street, the bus driver offered a motion for me to get in with my bike, and I thought that was great. It was quite a hoof, but it was still closer than going the rest of the way to Broad Street on Champion. I got to base camp in plenty of time for the 9:30 IOP meeting, and so I got some of my compositions published, produced, and none of them published until this evening. And I got as many uploaded as I could, and learned that there's a daily limit for YouTube uploads, so there's that. I really didn't know that before, and I don't want to brainstorm right now to figure out if there used to be. But there wasn't this time, and that's that. So I went to the IOP meeting. During the IOP meeting, maybe it was during break, I checked with Bo about my schedules. And Bo is my counselor, and he's also the facilitator for the IOP meeting, Tiger 4s that I'm in. I had time to drop my drug test and blow through the breathalyzer. And I did, well, I got the scheduling down pat pretty good. I don't really necessarily know if it's solid, but after my meetings and stuff, I came over here to the Pierce Center, and I was able to see with Job and Family Services about getting an assessment scheduled for tomorrow morning, the first thing in the morning. So instead of having the morning off, I'm going straight over there tomorrow morning. So I'll be heading straight to bed when I get home tonight. So I gotta go to 5432 North High Street, which is very, very far up north. Pretty close to the end of the bus line. I'm gonna check it out before I go to bed and make sure I know where I'm going when I wake up. And I'm gonna do that assessment beginning at 8 a.m. and then I'll be back here in time for the 11:30 nurses group. Nurses group will be over 11:30, and then I'll have the rest of the day off. But not technically the rest of the day off, because I'll still need to come here to the Pierce Center and do the coffee and do the 5:30 meeting. And maybe even get a mopping done, because I'm not sure how common these are done. But I do like staying busy whenever possible. I didn't do the mopping today, though. What else got done? Oh, I found a bike for $30 instead of $200. And yeah, I'm gonna let Scott know first thing tomorrow morning that I won't be receiving that bicycle. He can take it back home. Even if the secondary bike don't come through, which I hope it does, because it's a hybrid. Even if it don't come through, I'm not going to get the one from Scott, because he just wants too much for it, and I'm not going to negotiate a price for him. It just costs too much. So I'm going to turn him down and have him take it back to wherever he got it. And then hopefully George will come through with the hybrid, and I'll change the back inner tube with the one I bought already. It seemed to me like that's exactly the way it should have been. Now I'm getting ready for the 5:30 meeting. So I'll stop there, and I'll set some more up for later. It's 5:30 p.m., July 29th, 2026. T.A.S.T.E. I forgot about the screen timeout, so I gotta turn the screen back on in order to shut off the recording. 5996.